Hi everyone, today I just got a order in from INLP. This is the first order I've ever placed with them. Short story, I'll try to keep it short. So my son was over visiting and I knew there was going to be 2 collection drops of polishes that day, and I set my alarm for the first one and the other one was only an hour apart. But I completely got sidetracked. I mean, we were just having so much fun. And when I did remember, 4 hours later, they were completely sold out. I was so disappointed. It was a special collection of all St. Patrick's Day polishes. And they were really cool. They were very different and they had really cool names. And I was just really aggravated that they don't make enough to at least last 24 hours. 4 hours? 4 hours? That's all they lasted. So I was very sad. But then I saw this little green one right here. And I'm not going to buy just one nail polish, but I kind of really liked the other ones. And they're all really unique to my collection. Because if I'm going to buy any polishes, they're going to have to be either Holo Taco or they're going to have to be super unique to my collection, because I've got like a ton of nail polish. So, so I went with, and I've been seeing INLP, and it's I love the polish and everything. It's really great, except for they're not very unique to my collection. So, but these ones were. So there's this green one, which caught my eye for St. Patrick's Day. Trying to think if there's enough time to do a manicure. Maybe I can quick throw one together at the end of this video. So this one is green with little black speckles, and I love it. You can get in close to see those little black speckles, so that's very cool. I wanted to show you the unboxing because when I opened it, it's so beautiful. I mean, it's very nicely packaged. I'm kind of impressed with that. Oh, look at this. I like this. The tops are kind of rubberized, so they'll be easier to open. This one is called Lolly, and it has different kinds of purple glitter in there, and some of them are metallic, so I like the extra little like shine boost that those metallic ones reflect in there. This one was called Mint Chip. I was kind of disappointed that it didn't have green glitter in there, and I went back and forth. Should I buy it? Should I not buy it? I really wanted green little sparkles in there just like the other ones, but whatever, I was gonna buy it. I did get a sale price, and then since it was my first order, they give you a code if you sign up for emails or whatever, so whatever. This one, oh look at, I mean, these are just really pretty bottles. Very unique. Anyways, this one's called Strawberry Shake, and I love pink, and it's got little red speckles in there. I love this. This looks really great. So I'm very, very happy with these nail polishes. They look gorgeous. So I'm not disappointed in the order. So, and then this one, very unique to my collection. This one's called Sugar High, and it's a white crelly, and it's got all different kinds of colored sparkle glitter in here. We've got purple, pink, green, or maybe it's a bluish green. I think it's a turquoise. So I think that's turquoise, yeah. Anyway, so it's really pretty and very unique. It'll be fun. I just thought these would be fun in some nail art for stamping over, because sometimes a little speckled background looks really cool. Plus, it might look really cool just on its own, too. I mean, obviously, it will look cool on its own, too. Well, let's take a look at them. We'll take a look at them on their own. First, as always, I'm going to add base coat to all my nails. I'm using Maxis base coat for this. Okay, so here is the first coat. So these are acrylics. Looks a little bit patchy, but that's probably me because I haven't applied acrylics in a long time. You have to make sure that you get enough on your brush to kind of spread that first coat around. There we go. This is better. You don't want to get it too thick, but you don't want it to get too thin. And I'm used to using really thin coats. But this is good. It's super cute. I love the little speckles in here. This is going to be a fun little collection to wear. All right, these should be good in 2 coats. There we go. That looks pretty nice. This is 3 coats with a top coat, and I love how it looks. Normally I do the lightest one first, but I forgot. Forgot I had a white one here. So, not that it matters with this collection because they're all pastels. So I am also seeing that I'm getting used to applying this. So we may get away with 2 coats. Don't know. Maybe not because this is white. And it may very well need 3 coats to reach full opacity. Who knows? You know, whatever. 3 coats is not the end of the world. I do think I enjoy wider brushes though when applying certain types of polishes. Actually, I prefer wider brushes when applying all types of polishes. Okay, so here is the second coat. It's looking good on my pointer finger. I already did my pinky. It's looking good on that one. Yeah, I think it'll be fine on all of them. Yeah, it's gonna be different for every person, so it's gonna be 2 or 3 coats. It'll be opaque. I just decided to throw a 3rd coat on, so I'm just going to do all of these in 3 coats. It's probably just easier, but I do love this one. This one's really pretty with all the different color sparkles, glitter in there. Okay, so here's our first coat of, I don't even know what the heck it is. Maybe this one's Lolly. And we are going to do 3 coats. Not going to have to worry about any kind of weird patches. Once you get the first coat down, it seems that the other coats glide on there a lot easier. It's hard to get that first coat on without little patches, but then the rest of the coats, probably because you don't notice the patches because it's purple underneath. I think this is It'd be like my favorite color out of the collection. I really do like purple. I like purple and I like magenta pinks. Like the dark deep pinks, magenta, fuchsia, or hot pink, neon pink, those kind of colors. So here is 3 coats and a top coat. Now we have mint chip. I really like this color too. Okay, here is the second coat. Here is 3 coats and top coat. For the nail art, I'm just going to swipe some green nail polish. It doesn't matter how thick you get it. I think this one might be multi-chromatic because it needs to be a few coats on here. So anyways, it doesn't really matter how thick you get it on your mat here because it'll dry eventually. It just depends on how long you want to wait to do the last part of your video. So I'm just swiping this here, and I think it's going to need a couple coats. So I'm just going to put a couple coats on there. I actually don't think this was dry long enough. Actually, I don't think it was dry at all. Not really. So I'm putting a quick dry top coat on. I'm using Finito. And we should be okay. Okay, let's see if we let this dry enough. Oh, it's still really pliable. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Let's try steeping it. Oh. Well, I would suggest that you do this before you paint your nails. You don't ruin your nail polish while you're trying to get the little thing out. Okay, it looks good. And just put it on my nail. I move it to where I want it, and then push down. That's good. And then put a top coat of finito. There. There. Wait for it to dry. Okay, there we have it. I think it's pretty cute. I love playing with the paper punches, and I totally always forget that I've got so many different ones. So that's fun. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.